Discovery. It defines who we are. It's where we came from and where we're going. At MagSeal, it's discovery that is in our DNA. Since 1954, MagSeal has been a leading expert helping engineers solve complex, high-speed, high-vibration, and high-altitude sealing challenges. MagSeal's world-class performance seals are trusted on some of the world's most demanding military and commercial platforms. Our founders discovered that by applying magnetics in mechanical sealing assemblies, unit loading could be reduced and made more uniform, requiring less mass and valuable space than other sealing methods. By replacing springs with magnets, leaks caused by hysteresis, uneven loading, and resonance are eliminated. Conventional seals compensate for these challenges with higher loading, which increases power-sapping parasitic torque. MagSeals require minimal loading and provide low breakaway and running torque, allowing more power to the shaft with less losses. As sealing experts, we understand that space along a shaft is usually limited. That's why MagSeals are engineered to fit into tiny spaces. MagSeals are ideal for replacing lip seals because they utilize durable, long-life carbon graphite seal rings and eliminate shaft wear caused by lip seals. There's no need to suffer with an underperforming seal in your application. Let us design a better sealing solution that fits right into your existing cavity. All of our seals are customizable. As innovators are discovering new ways to power aviation systems, the need for high-performance, high-reliability seals has never been greater. With advancements in aviation technology requiring increased energy density, extended range, reduced noise, increased thrust, and higher speeds, traditional components that contribute to system drag won't meet the needs. The latest innovations in mechanical bearing technology must be paired with the very best in mechanical sealing technology. As a leading sealing solutions expert, MagSeal is your best option. Through the application of magnetics and decades of experience, let MagSeal reduce drag, provide longer life, reduce noise, reduce mass, and improve reliability in your critical sealing application. As discovery and innovation ushers us into the age of faster speeds, longer range, and higher performance, we'll play an essential role in the revolution. Join us.